guys, it's Pragna here from Core Body Balance. We have Mark from Minfork today, and he's going to talk about his coming up workshop, Inspire to Rewire, and he's going to tell us what it's all about, and when you come to that one, what are you going to learn from it? I'm sure you're going to learn a lot more. I'm so excited. So Mark, can you share with us that what are you going to share at the workshop? Inspire to Rewire. The name sounds really good.
Yeah, we've got some wonderful guest speakers, and of course you are part of that, Pragna. So we teach at Minfork the science of human transformation.
Okay.
So the neuroscience behind change. And not just the neuroscience, but the intelligence of the heart as well.
That's really good. So in attending that one, say for example, if people are struggling to have the clear vision of what they want in their life, this is what something are we going to cover in the workshop?
Yeah, we're going to have exercises and a formula to help people get clear on their vision, their purpose and their goals.
Okay.
And then what part of the brain that sits in, because a lot of people will lose their mental energy and their motivation and their engagement because they're caught on like a hamster wheel. They're sitting at work and they're doing their job and their life is okay, but they feel like they have a bigger passion, a bigger vision, but they just don't know and understand the process of how to get clear on that. So during the workshop we're going to have some exercises to show them how to get clear on their purpose, their vision and their goals, and then the neuroscience that supports that.
Oh, wonderful. So that is exactly me as well. A couple of years back, I know, sitting at there, and I know so many people when you are sitting there and you're thinking, oh God, I don't enjoy my work and I have got something else to do, but I don't know what. So they're going to have this vision.
And the other thing, Pragna, is the privilege we have as humans is that the part of our brain called the neocortex is 50% larger in humans than in other mammals. Now that's a blessing and a curse. It's a blessing because it gives us this creative imagination to create buildings and innovations and new technology, but it also means that we can use our thought process habitually to drive stressful, fearful thoughts, and of course that drives the chemistry in our body like cortisol and adrenaline that suppresses the immune system and can cause disease and illnesses. So we teach the science behind that, and we give them some techniques and tools to have more positive behavioural habits.
That's fabulous. It sounds so amazing. So guys, I know we all have got, as Mark said, that we have got our imagination and we create, but then because of our fear and doubt we don't take any actions. But at Inspire to Rewire workshop you're gonna learn exactly how you're gonna get there into your life and achieve whatever you want to create in your life. So the Inspire to Rewire workshop is on the 25th of April in the evening from 7 o'clock at Holiday Inn in Northampton. So if you want to have any more information, then please be in touch. We'll put some details below there as well, so you can contact, and there would be a link to buy your tickets. We look forward to see you there, guys.
See you soon. Thanks, Pragna.